video, we will see how to create customized drop-down list in Google Sheet in the very easiest way. So do the same, just select the data with the help of mouse, then go to the insert menu, click on drop down, just go to here. You can see here each option says here. You can also customize the color of each option. Just click and set the color for each option, then click on done. Then you can see in the drop down each item is available, so you can change the status with the help of drop down in the place of manually typed. So this is how we can create a complete drop down list in a very easiest way, in a quick way. Thank you for watching.